Hey, it's Brad Banning Park, and we're back with another at-home small space boot camp. So there's no excuses. Yeah, this is going to be another 13-minute video. Again, 2-minute rounds broken into 4 sections. So there's going to be 4 different exercises within 2 minutes, 30 seconds each. Minute rest. Do that 4 rounds, and then we've got a finisher. So I'm going to jump straight in. Let's get ready to rock and roll. Okay, 10 seconds we're going in. Workout number 2, boot camp at home workouts, 5 seconds. First exercise is going to be oblique mountain climbers. Let's go. So you bring knee through and twist to opposite elbow. Keep that body weight forward. That's it, we twist them in, twist them in. 30 seconds work, and then we're going to go into some air squats straight after. So keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. 3, 2, 1. Jump up. And then 30 seconds of air squats. So keep them nice and deep. Bring that bum right underneath those knees. Three, 2, 1, and then hot hands. So we're down in a plank position. Then we bring elbow and brush it past our ribs. Sit. Keep the core nice and tight. Elbows close to the ribs. Nice and controlled. No rush, 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Last exercise for the round, walk out press ups. Legs nice and straight, touch your toes. Walk out, press up, chest to floor. All the way back up, keep legs straight, touch your toes. Walk back out, chest to floor. Arms fully extended. Back up, touch your toes. Walk back out, make sure the legs are nice and long. Chest to floor. That's it. Come on, come on. Go and walk it out. And time. 60 seconds rest. Okay, workout 1 was more leg dominant. Today we're going to work more on the upper body in workout 2. So that's round 1 done already. I have actually got a drink with me today. But big deep breaths. Don't sit down, stay up. Shake your legs off, roll the arms off. And 30 seconds, well 25 seconds, we're going in. Round 2. Same exercise again, so we start off with those oblique mountain climbers. We're going to twist the knee to opposite elbow. As I said before, I can't show you side on because of the room we've got. But I'm going to go on a little bit of angle this time so you can try and see a little bit better. So you can see a little bit better. 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Hey up, there we go, look. Kick in stuff. Yeah. Twist all the way through. So we want the sides, down the sides of the abs. Feeling the burn. Last 10. Then up into the air squats. 3, 2, 1. Up into those squats. Sit nice and deep. Help. Keep your balance. Sit. Weight the heels. Keep those heels flat to the floor. Keep breathing. 8 seconds to go. Then into those hot hands again. 3, 2, 1. Down we go. So keep it controlled. Keep them abs nice and engaged. Imagine someone's going to come over, try and kick you in the stomach. I'm going to keep them tight that whole time. Try not to let the hips twist. fix the hips. 5 seconds into those walkout press ups. Okay, over jump, just toes, walk it out, press up, fully extend the arms, walk back, just toes, keep legs nice and long. Chest to the floor, touch toes, walk it out, legs nice and long, chest to floor, all the way out. Last 10 seconds for the round. Should feel those hamstrings on the way back. See a full body workout, touch toes, and time. So full body boot camp workouts. Say, I haven't got a great space here in the front room, but you can get a good workout in using the full body. There we go, got some juice. We'll splash of that. 2 more rounds to go. Workout number 2. Exercise 1, oblique mountain climbers. 2, the air squats. 3, hot hands. 4, walkout press ups. And then the finisher at the end. 15 seconds, we're going in with these oblique mountain climbers. If you do struggle with twisting around, just do the normal mountain climbers. So knees straight up, straight down. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So them arms and shoulders are going to start to burn from the press ups, from the hot hands, from holding the body weight forward for the oblique mountain climbers that we're doing now. Over halfway for the 30 seconds. Last 8 seconds. Keep moving. 3, 2, 1, up we get. Into those squats. Nice and deep. You'll feel the quads burning in a little bit as well from those oblique mountain climbers. So just really keep them deep, nice and deep. 10 seconds. Come on, let's push. Let's keep it going. 4, 3, 2, 1. Down to the hot hands. If you do struggle to keep your hips fixed, put your legs at the back wider, so you've got a bigger base of stability through the legs. So notice how I'm going nice and controlled. My elbows brushing past my ribs each time. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Then into the walkout. Walkout press ups, walk it out. Chest all the way down to the floor. Walk it up, keep the legs long. Feel the pull in the back of the legs on the hamstrings. That's it, walk it out. Last 10 seconds. And that's round 3 done. Flying through this workout. Touch your toes. Walk it out. 1 time. 60-second rest. 1 more round. So in your rest time, big deep breaths in the nose, out through the mouth. Yeah guys, if you're doing these workouts, let me know in the comments, let me know where you're training from. So take your rest time, shake the arms off. The minute rest does feel a little bit too long for you. Just need to put a little bit more effort in the 2 minutes. So then you need that rest time. Okay, 10 seconds, we're going into the last round. Oblique mountain climbers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go! So I'd rather you slow the speed down so that you can really twist and bring your elbow up to your knee rather than going faster and having shorter reps. That's it. These boot camp workouts are all about full range, full movement, getting the body to move full range. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up we get in the squats. That's it, just keep pumping them out. Weight the heels, keep them deep. Last 10 seconds. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, last round. 3, 2, 1. Hot hands. That's it. A nice fast transition between these 30 seconds of exercise. So then we are working for a full 2 minutes. Nice control on the hot hands. That's it, 5 seconds to go. If you really wanted to, you could walk straight back from that position now. Let's go. Up to your hamstrings. Hamstrings tight, touch toes. Back down. Rather than stopping. From that plank position, touch your toes. Feel their shoulders and arms burn that a little bit more. Okay, we're pushing to the bell now then, come on. Let's go. Last 10. Squeeze some more in. Touch the toes. Straight back out. That's it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Minute rest. Grab a drink, shake it off. And then get into your finisher for this workout. So 60 seconds of dead stop push-ups, as many as you can. You count this and let me know in the comments how many you've done. So this is going to help track your progression of the workouts. So we've got 30 seconds till we're going, but quickly show you what we're looking for. We're going to be up in a press-up position, lie flat to the floor, release hands off the floor so we're dead weight. Push up, that's 1. Shuffle back a bit so you can see. Down, hands up and off the floor, push up, that's 1 rep. Okay, 10 seconds we're going. So 1 minute of exercise. Hopefully I don't forget again how many I did. 2, 1. Okay, let's go, the finisher. That's it, keep pushing. Fully extend the arms on the way up. That's it, it's gonna burn. Keep pushing. Them arms are on fire, come on. 20 seconds to go. Last 10. 5 seconds. Time. They're a killer. They're a killer. Ooh. Stop the timer. So, another 13-minute at home bootcamp workout, small space. I did 33 then, 33 on the finisher. So let me know let me know how many you did in the comments. Hopefully you beat me. Yeah, so there's workout 2 done. Every week, I'm gonna bring one of these out, guys, yeah, to help you. And what I'm gonna do is, same as last time, in the comments for the video description, I'm gonna put in a free 12 recipe pack. So you get 12 recipes from BEP for free. Go and download that, the link's there, and then you can use that alongside these workout videos, and then you've got a full program to do at home, which will cost you nothing. Yeah, all I ask, guys, is that you like this video, you comment, and you share it with your friends. Okay, guys, I've enjoyed this one. It's good to be back again. Upper body's feeling it, and I will see you in the next one.